Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fudge brownie cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the melted butter, sugar, brown sugar, and cocoa powder, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract and whisk them in until they're combined. And set the mixture aside for now. Then in a smaller bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and add in the chocolate chips, and mix them together just until they're combined and there's no more dry flour. Then scoop out 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spacing them out at least 1.5 to 2 inches apart. And bake them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Try not to overbake them or they will come out dry. When they're done, remove them from the oven. And if you like, you can sprinkle a little coarse salt on top of them. Just a very light sprinkle, you don't want them to be salty. And let them cool on the pan for 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make fudge brownie cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.